What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. How to start a cell phone repair business. Are you crazy about the latest smartphone tech and updates? Do you love fixing stuff? If this is you, it may be a good idea to venture into cell phone repair service. But before you do, it is important to first understand the common challenges, startup costs, and earning potential. Business overview. Cell phone repair companies fix broken phones to save consumers the trouble of buying a new one. The most common repairs include camera repair, headphone jack repair, battery repair, screen repair, etc. A repair business may go for a mobile model, especially if they don't have enough money for rent or a storefront. Industry summary. The cell phone repair industry has been growing rapidly. Many people now use smartphones and they are easily broken. Industry trends. With more people using smartphones, cases of broken screens and water damage can also increase. The consumers need a repair person to help with issues like these. And as smartphones become even more popular, the demand for repair services will go up, and manufacturers seem to be making more durable phones now. And this may not be good news for repair techs. Also, some people prefer to just buy a new phone instead of repairing a broken one. However, high-end smartphones can be expensive and many people would rather repair than get a new one. Who will be your target market? Your clients will mostly be smartphone owners. These are people who earn more, educated people, and the younger population. But even people who don't fall under these categories now own smartphones. The bottom line is your target market will be smartphone owners with damaged phones. Expertise required. Just as with any other business, there are certain skills that you need to have. Experience in cell phone repair. You should be able to replace broken parts, troubleshoot problems, and repair various brands and models. Customer service skills. If you can't properly handle customers, your business will fail soon. Learn how to communicate and deal with different kinds of customers. Business skills. You will be required to manage your inventory, set prices, market the business, etc. Technology industry knowledge. The smartphone technology is evolving rapidly and it's important that you keep up. Financial overview. The startup costs are not that much. Here is a general breakdown of how much you will need. Articulating light, $100 to $250. Work desk, $200 to $400. Chairs, $40 to $80 for one chair. The most important, tools, which is between $50 and $100. Supplies and phone parts, $200 to $800. Inventory, such as cases and screen protectors to sell, $150 to $400. Working capital. How much will you make? This will depend on the age of the business, number of employees, services offered, and the business size. Steps to starting your own business. Create a detailed business plan. Form a business entity, partnership, sole proprietorship, etc. Choose your location. Apply for the necessary business permits and licenses. Look for financing. Start marketing your business early. Obtain insurance. Hire employees. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Please comment below.